Hey guys, thanks for watching today. I'm going to show you how to make a sublimation cup from start to finish. I use this koala paper from Amazon, and obviously you're going to need sublimation cups. And I got a big bulk of them right here that I got for a discount, but usually they're $2 to $3 a piece. So you want to make sure you have that, and of course your sublimation printer. So depending on what you're doing here, go ahead and go to Cricut Design Space and upload your item your image you want on your mug. I'm going to be doing this image right here that I made in PicMonkey. Choose complex, continue, print and cut image, upload. And I already have one in here because I made a mug previously before making this video. So that's what you're going to see when I upload this in here. Wait for this to load. Depending on the image size, sometimes it can take a few moments to load. Okay, now that that's loaded, I can't remember the size of these mugs. I want to say they're 12 ounces. I did measure it on my Cricut mat, and let me just do it quick one more time. Yeah, they're about 4 inches tall. So like I said, I do have my other image here. I have 3.9 by 3.9, so I'm going to make this the same height. Actually 3.91, 3.91. There we go. So get rid of this one. So this is the image I want to be cutting, and this is going to fit perfectly on my mug. Just make sure you are measuring your mug before you go ahead and print it. Next, go ahead and click Make It. And Cricut Design Space has this goofy black box around all of the printing cuts. There is a full page hack on my YouTube channel if you do want to get rid of that, but for now, I want to make this quick. I'm just going to leave it on there. Honestly, it doesn't take up that much extra ink, especially because it's black, so it's a lot cheaper. Make sure you hit mirror on the left-hand side. Click Continue. Send to printer. I'm going to take the bleed off and choose my the correct printer here, which is this one, and then go ahead and click print. If you're new to sublimation, you can head on over to my channel and I talk about different printers and stuff. This is the Epson Workforce 7710. It is a regular printer, however I did convert it into a sublimation printer, and this is a pretty cheap option if you are on a limited budget. Definitely worth it. It's quite a big printer compared to my other little one there I make or use for stickers. So once this comes printed out, it is going to look funny. It's going to look really light, and that's okay. This is just how it looks when it does get printed out. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is line up your paper on your mug. You can cut this down. You can use this, which is heat-resistant tape. Also, painter's tape works just as well. So line it up, tape it on there. And then here is my mug press. Set it at about 375 to 400. I got this one on Amazon. It was like 60 bucks, super affordable. Just place it in the slot. Go ahead and close it, and it is going to smoke. I've had a couple close encounters, so I always keep this right here just in case. So you're actually going to press that for 4 to 5 minutes, which seems like a really long time, but trust me, you will need it. After your timer goes off, go ahead and take it out. Peel off your paper, and there is your mug. Super vibrant colors. Make great gifts for anyone. Very, very happy with this.